tree fell on it overnight. Elise?
Yes, Ken. So lightning struck this old sequoia tree and it absolutely just exploded all over this woman's backyard and throughout the neighborhood as well. So you can kind of see all of the tree that's fallen down here. It's landed on 2 homes, damaging people's roofs here and then also on the other side of the tree as well. And so people tell me, the neighbors here were out, they heard this loud explosion, really worried about what was going on. They finally realized that lightning had hit this tree, so they went to run and check on all of their neighbors. One of the neighbors had kids sleeping in the area of the house where a tree landed on it, but luckily no one was hurt in the situation. All the neighbors checked on each other, and what's amazing too is that there was no fire either. The fire department did come out here and they put up some tape and everything just to kind of block areas off so people weren't in danger. But other than that, folks are coming out to try and pick up all of this mess and start to restore some of the damaged roofs as well. So because of this lightning strike and